Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Alamosa Park Elementary School in Oceanside, California, part of the Vista Unified School District, home of the Hawks. And I got to share my heart again now for a second time here on campus. And this was the after-school program, the AM/PM group. And the focus today was on respect and that we're all true miracles, right? So in every one of my talks, I talk about how we all have with the lines on our hands, the letter M, right? And this M stands for miracle. Like the front of my shirt, upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But today I really kind of wanted to open up to say, hey, let's brainstorm what respect really means, right? What does that truly mean to you? And the responses we got was to be nice to people, to help others up if they fall down, to know that if someone's different, we can still show kindness, right? We can still choose to appreciate them and value them and see them for who they truly are. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, some inspirational videos, some positive music, some hand motion raps, a call and response rap, I really got that point home to their hearts. And I know I did, because a lot of them came up to me, gave me hugs after and said, Mr. Peace, every word that you shared really, really touched my heart. And that's what you want. I mean, that's what you want, is to know that they're really taking this to heart and that they're going to go and now hopefully spread this to others that they meet, and not only respect themselves, but respect everyone around them. And so we also talked about how, you know, these mean comments, these negative comments that we say to ourselves or someone else, those can leave marks on our heart. Black and blue marks, just like bruises, except sometimes these bruises don't heal unless we can erase them, right? By saying something positive, by saying something nice to try to reverse some of the hurt and pain that we might have caused to us or to someone else. And so it's really an amazing thing for me when we start to understand that, you know, if positive and negative comments and statements can affect the plant like a living creature, right? Like we looked at one of the studies in one of the videos that I shared, all of a sudden we know that it can definitely affect us, right? We talked about the body language of someone that is getting bullied, what they exhibit, you know, that their head's down, they might be in tears. And no matter who we are, if we look different on the outside, we also talked about how all of us are the same on the inside, right? We all have that same type of heart, and it's all about the heart, right? So to focus on that, to stop and pop, have this power of the pause, to think about what we're going to say before we say it, so we don't just keep being mean and that person's mean back and the cycle just continues. We have to break that cycle, and we have to want to break that cycle. And I believe that everybody here today really did grasp those key concepts that I tried to reinforce. So thank you again for touching my heart. It was a beautiful afternoon. I hope to see you again next school year. Until then though, have a great rest of time, a great next few months. Really practice what we talked about, show that respect, show that kindness, show that peace. As always too, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And also feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.